History is the study of change of time, and it covers all aspects of human society. In this vlog, we are going through the roots of history here in Science City of Muñoz. Science City of Muñoz is located in central part of Luzon in the province of Nueva Ecija. It has a lot of story to tell in the past. Old PNR Station is one part of the greatest history of Science City of Muñoz. PNR Station operates on November 24, 1892 as the Ferrocarril de Manila Dagupan during the Spanish colonial period, and later becoming the Manila Railroad Company during the American colonial period. It became the Philippine National Railways on June 20, 1964 by the virtue of Republic Act No. 4156. And 3 of the station of the old PNR is located here in Science City of Muñoz. Come with me and let's see and educate ourselves in some of the history about it. This is one of the PNR station here in Science City of Muñoz. It is called PNR CLAC station. It is located here at CLSU, and it is called CLAC station because it is the name of CLSU before, which is Central Luzon Agricultural College. This is the second old PNR station. It is located here at Barangay Matingkis, Science City of Muñoz. Now, it is not recognizable because it is rehabilitated and turned into a daycare center. Now here where the third station was built. It is located at Barangay San Antonio, Science City of Muñoz. As we can see, there's nothing left in the station. It is fully demolished and turned into a backyard. Through the lens of this vlog, we've woven rich tapestry of its history and captured moments steeped in nostalgia. Until the next adventure, this is Sophronia City First, and remember, every frame holds a piece of our shared heritage.